Hi queens, let's talk about these real good frozen foods. My bestie, shout out to Celine, told me these are worth it. First choice is a pizza, pepperoni, chicken pizza. And then the second one is a bacon wrapped spinach artichoke stuffed chicken. Pepperoni bowl has 7 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein. It's just one bowl alone is 460 grams. Oops, excuse me, not grams. 460 calories. Comparable to pizza? No, sadly no, because it's just like not it. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Do I think it's worth it for the price point? Personally, no. I don't love it. I love that it's high in protein. It's 30 grams. But I can make my own style pizza and still have carbs, you know. I can still have carbs. But I think it's good. It tastes good, but I don't know if I would purchase it again with the price point. It's awesome to have if you're on the go quick and you want that protein, great. But if not, have that choice where you can actually make it on your own. Let's go to this stuffed chicken spinach artichoke. When I say this is amazing, this is amazing. Like, out of these two, like, buy pizza, hello, stuffed chicken artichoke. 5 grams of carbohydrates. You have 34 grams of protein. But what I love about this is the taste, okay? It's the taste. It's 2-in-1, but don't forget, it's one serving, so it's just one of these. It's 440 calories and 4 grams. When I tell you this is chef's kiss, like, this is chef's kiss. This, you have to put it in the oven, so you have to be mindful of the time wise. Listen to the instructions of the time wise. Don't put it in the microwave. You're going to be eating raw chicken. But this is my top choice. Let me know in the comments if you tried out the spinach artichoke chicken, and do you love it, or do you prefer the pizza one?